Guess what? I am going on another idea shopping spree today. And I think today I am going to head over to Michael's to see what kind of organizing supplies they have there. So why don't you come along? Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer, and on my channel I like to share all things organized. And today I'm heading on an idea shopping trip. And like I said in the intro, we're going to go to Michael's. And every now and then I like to just head out to the stores and see what kind of organizing supplies they have. So that way, when I have another organizing project that I'm working on, I'll have some idea of what kind of organizing products are out there. Because failure to plan is a plan to fail. Okay, so let's go into Michael's. Okay, full disclosure, when I recorded this video, it was before Christmas, so you might see some Christmas displays, all right, and some sales that aren't running. Okay, first thing I ran into were all of these boxes. They are wonderful to use in your office. It can help you organize just about any drawer, and if you look at them, they were only like $1.50. And then I went down the next aisle, and I absolutely love these storage carts. They had ones with 10 of these little drawers, and I love all the different colors. It's so pretty. It's like a little rainbow. And then they also had carts that had deeper baskets in them, and I really like that. And a $30 price for that is awesome. Okay, next I found these little jewelry containers. And actually you can use them for jewelry, or you can also use them in your office for like storing paper clips and little eraser tips and things like that. Or I've even taken the smaller ones found in these packages, and I put things like Tylenol or Motrin or some vitamins in there, and I use them in my purse. I just throw those little containers in my purse. It's a great way to carry them and keep things organized in your purse. So there's so much you can do with that. Now I have used these little containers in my own office. I put my paper clips, I put eraser tips, I put flash drives in these little boxes. And I got them a long time ago at Staples. They were like $15, and I was kind of shocked to see they're like $27 now. But they're really helpful in an office. Ooh, and what's down here? Another little organizer. You know, you could store things like your batteries in this little case. I know it's supposed to be for crafts, but again, you could put batteries in it. You could put this in your junk drawer so you could keep things organized in that. You can also store makeup supplies. You could put the brushes in the side container there, and it's only $5. Oh, and check these out. I know this has nothing to do with organization, but I just think these little cookie cutters were the most adorable things. Oh, I'd love to get that little guitar one for my son. He plays the guitar. Oh, and they got that little like prom dress one. That would be so cute too. I love the sunglasses. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. A dog bone. Oh, and living in Arizona, I'd have to have that saguaro one. That's so cute. Oh, and they got a little musical note. Oh, my other son could use that one. Again, these have nothing to do with organizing, but they were just too cute to pass up. Okay, let's talk about these coffee mugs or any travel mugs. I gotta tell you, I find hundreds of these in every one of my clients' homes. And while I just love them, and I caught myself, almost wanting to get one myself. I love these, but again, think before you buy, no matter how cute and adorable they look or how just sleek they look. Oh, where are you going to store them? Think about that before you buy them. Just a little tip, all right? All right, then I came across, Michael's had the largest supply of mason jars. I love mason jars for organizing pantries. They are fabulous for storing things like sunflower seeds and almonds and all sorts of nuts. You can put little treats in here like little M&Ms, candies and stuff like that. There's really no end. And I love the bigger ones to make like little salads to go. And then I saw right next to this, they had all these beautiful canisters. You know what? If you are really wanting to spruce up your pantry, these really make any pantry pop, and it helps you see your inventory so that you know what you need when you're out shopping. Your eyes will remember, instead of it being behind some box that you can't tell if you have one noodle in it or a whole box full of noodles, okay? So check out Michael's if you're looking for some decanting items. Because look at, they just got so many. These were actually a lot larger than they look, and they had them for really good prices. Look at that, $249. Oh my gosh, $349. That's a pretty decent price. These were really, the bigger ones were gigantic, so you could store a lot. Okay, now these are photo boxes. Now please, again, remember I took this video footage before Christmas, so the sale is probably not running. But photo boxes are wonderful ways to store your old, physical photos, and it's important you get it in a proper container. You want to look for an acid-free storage system, because otherwise your photos will start turning yellow and getting kind of faded. And if they're acid-free, it helps preserve your photos and helps them stay looking, pretty nice longer. All right, now in the back of this Michael store, again, forget about the sale prices, they're not running it right now, but oh my gosh, this aisle, I thought I had hit the mother lode. Look at all these storage containers. Oh my gosh. Yay! I could get lost for an hour just in this aisle alone. Okay, check this out. Now, you know what? I might be showing my age here, but this is supposed to be for jewelry, but all I could think about was, at my age, oh my gosh, it's a his and hers medicine, sorter for a month's supply of vitamins. So now I'm really showing my age. I'm like, oh my gosh, the his side and the her side of a month's worth of vitamins. Then I came across this storage carousel, and I thought it was kind of neat. It was like pegboard meets a little Lazy Susan. And correct me if I'm wrong, this is supposed to store your vinyls, but I thought Utopia made this for our saran wraps and stuff for the pantry. So it looks oddly familiar to me. I don't know. What do you think? But again, if you did buy it from Utopia and you're not going to store your foil and your saran wrap, you could always store your vinyl rolls in there. Oh my gosh, look at these containers. Oh my gosh, these would be great for a pantry or a refrigerator. Now these I use to organize my photos, my physical photos. It is a really great way to store them. They are about the size of a briefcase, and inside they have all these individual containers, and I've actually sorted all my photos by categories in these tiny little containers. Really neat way to store your photos. Let's talk about these amazing cards. These are the rage lately, and I gotta tell you, I actually purchased one of these for my pantry. I am actually overhauling my pantry. It is a video that's going to be coming to you in the next couple of months. We've been working on our pantry for the last 6 months, just gutting an area of my kitchen. And I'm actually getting that seafoam green one, and I'll show you how I'm going to use it. But these things can be used for arts and crafts. They can be used in the bathroom for all your toiletries, where you can just roll them away if you don't have a lot of storage in your bathroom. There's no end to what you can use these cards. And these here were only $30. They're the little bit smaller ones, but they pack a lot of storage in them. And they come in such adorable colors. But again, I'm going to be putting one in my pantry. Be sure to check back, so subscribe to this channel so you won't miss my pantry makeover. It's going to be stunning, let me tell you. Okay, now these are some of the accessories you can put in those carts. You see this little clear container goes into the top bin, fits really nice and snug. And then I love this paper towel holder that you can it's magnetized, so it'll stick to the side of the roller. And oh my goodness, look at, you can even clip these little containers on so you can have your markers or pens, pencils, whatever there. These carts also are great for organizing your office supplies as well. Again, look at, you could hold your scissors and larger items in that. Or for wrapping supplies, look at that. You can make this like your little wrap station. Put your wrapping paper on that. The smaller rolls, of course, it wouldn't be those long tubes that you find, but what a cute little accessory to clip onto it. I love that they sell all the accessories separate so you can kind of mix and match to match your style. Then I came across another type of card. It was a little bit bigger. I think the first card I showed you was like 17 by 14 by 30. And this one, as you can see, it's a little bit bigger. And I love the pegboard on the side. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, if you are a quilter or any kind of crafter, knitter, or anything like that, what a great storage option. I really do like that pegboard. It really makes a difference. And they, again, have all the accessories. It looks like the clip-on to hold the rolls on the side. And they come in all the different colors. You can see there's a seafoam green, there's a white, and I think there was a gray one, and then a black. They're available in all the different colors too, so that's kind of nice. But this one's a lot pricier, double the price of the other one, $60. And I do like that they sell a cart topper. That way you can use a nice surface area on the top to work. Then I came across these modular shelves. They were like little cubes and you could customize them. If you utilize a lot of different color papers, I have a couple of clients, they have mailers they send out with different colored paper each month. This is just a really neat organized system for that. Now, what organizing video would not be complete without including Cricut? Your labeling center. You know what? A lot of people just absolutely love it. It's all the rage right now. But I gotta tell you, at $300 and $400 for those bigger units, I have not myself personally jumped in on this. I think the labels are beautiful. You know, putting that much effort, and look at all those supplies. All I keep thinking is, how am I going to store all the supplies to go with this wonderful labeling system? So personally, I'm not a big fan of Cricut, but I can't say that it doesn't make absolutely gorgeous products. And look at, you can even make a mug with it. Okay, I wanted to show you this. You might say, what does this glass block have to do with anything organizing? And while it's a beautiful decorative piece, you could use this to store memorabilia in. And I'm talking things like theater tickets, movie tickets, things that have special memory. I have a lot of clients that save tickets to events they went to, and we put that in there, and then we decoupage a photo of them at one of the concerts. And it's just a neat little organizing tool. That was awesome. I had so much fun seeing all those great organizing supplies. Who knew Michaels had so many products that could help you stay organized? I hope you had as much fun as I did on this shopping trip. If you did enjoy this video, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and I'd love to know, what were your favorite products that you saw in this video? And how would you use them in your home? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really love to hear about it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Take care, and I will see you on the next one.